Hello friends, welcome to Bhuvana Shekhar's kitchen. Today I am going to show prawns curry recipe. So let's get started. Prawns, onions, tomatoes, coriander leaves, ginger garlic paste, curry leaves, green chilies, salt as per taste, red chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, in a pan, take 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Let the oil get heated. Add onions, add tomatoes, after sauteing it for a minute, add green chilies and curry leaves and mix it well. It's been like 2 minutes. Now mix it once again. And then add ginger garlic paste, and saute it well. And saute it for 1 minute. Now add turmeric powder, salt and red chili powder. Mix all of them together. After mixing all together, add prawn pieces. After adding prawn pieces, keep the lid on it and cook it on low flame for 10 to 15 minutes. Now it's been 15 minutes. Let's take it out. Now add dry coconut powder of 1 tablespoon and mix it well. After mixing it well, add coriander powder of 1 tablespoon and mix. After sauteing it for a few seconds, add coriander leaves, mix it well. That's it friends. Tasty prawns curry is ready. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.